Hello, dear viewers. I'm Bog of All Trades, and this is the Weekly Bunker, a show where we demonstrate to you guys how we build the secret underground bunker house. What we did last week was spacing out the rebar on the walls to make them strong. And this week, we're going to be doing wiring. Now, we won't put the wires right away, but what we will do is put corrugated tube in many places so that once the bunker is finished, we can drill holes anywhere we want, practically, and install sockets, switches, and lights, and have a central box in which we can control everything for maximum versatility and comfort. This is going to be interesting. Let's go.
Bog of all trades. I do everything and more.
The tubes used will be normal plastic corrugated tubing, which you can buy at most hardware or tube stores. These are 40mm tubes that we will use for most of the wiring, since they easily allow several wires to be put through them. The tubes will be tied to the rebar with normal rebar tied wire. That is about 1mm wire, and we use a single thread of wire to tie them. The method you use for tying is your personal choice. This is not really required to be strong. You just need to make sure they hold. Also, we've opted for much wider corners than you might expect, since those would provide you with easier laying of wire. The edges of the tubes will be filled in with polyurethane foam so that nothing will get inside as we lay in the concrete, and the distance between wire ties will be about 30 centimeters. Last week, I asked you guys what these sections here would be, and no one wrote anything, so I'm not gonna tell you what they will be, but I'll give you a hint. This tube over here is right at the level for a switch. In our case, we're planning to make them about 1.10 meters. Apart from switches, we'll also install a vertical tube, which will be for lighting, TVs, and other devices which we will plug in very high, and a tube for sockets which will be down here at the bottom, and to which we can make any amount of sockets that we wish. Let's get going. So that's how it all looks. Sadly, I was not able to install the box this week, so that's going to be the topic of next week's release. As you might guess, it's going to be installed here, and it's going to unite all of these tubes together, and another tube which would lead outside. Next week, my studies in Portugal will be beginning, and I will make a video on how I got into the university as a foreigner. It is not very easy, and that's why the weekly load for me will increase, and you might expect slightly shorter videos, but I will still keep the bi-weekly schedule. There's one bunker related video and one other video, for example this one which I did this week about how you can fix the blinking LED boot loop issue on a TP-Link. So be sure to check that out, and we'll see each other next week. Ciao!